Okay, vamos a continuar con estar. So let's continue with estar. So estar is all about essence, it describes and it defines. Estar does not do that, of course. Estar doesn't describe, it doesn't define. Instead, it talks about the condition or the state of something or someone. Veamos unos ejemplos, ¿sí? Let's look at some examples. María está en mi casa, ¿sí? María is at my house. Does this describe or define her? No, it is talking about where she is. María está cansada. María is tired. María está durmiendo. María está cansada y por eso está durmiendo, ¿sí? She is sleeping. Again, doesn't describe or define. Instead, it talks about her condition, her state, right? What she's doing. La manzana. La manzana está en mi mano. Where is it? It's on my hand. No? In my hand? On my hand. See, in and on are two that are super hard for me because in Spanish we just have one. We have en. So don't worry about it. Even as difficult as ser and estar are, they're still going to take you a really long time to learn, and that's okay. I still confuse in and on all the time. So I don't know if it's is it in my hand or on my hand. I don't know. Pero la manzana está en mi mano. La manzana está podrida. It's rotten. See? Now, does that define what an apple is? No. So I'm talking about its condition or its state. It's rotten. And just like we said, we're going to conjugate it to talk about different people or singular and plural as well, right? So, estoy, estás, está, estamos, están. So let's do a couple with estoy. Estoy en mi oficina. Estoy bien hoy. Estoy bien, estoy feliz. Estoy grabando un video. See, I'm recording a video. I'm in my office. I'm well. I'm happy. All of these things are talking about my current condition or my state of being. They're not talking about things that describe or that define me.